All right, it's Pat Jansen here. I'm at the Flying Piston Breakfast still. We're going around. I got my buddy Jeff here doing my Facebook, Cameron. We're just going to wander around and look at some stuff. One of the nice things about this Flying Piston Breakfast, every year they choose a charity. This year it's Motorcycle Missions. We're doing a silent auction. Everybody's given a lot of really nice gifts. So people are bidding on that. You come here, you get a lot of really good deals. That's one of the nice things. I do want to introduce you to some really beautiful women, and so we're going to go over this corner. No, I was just kidding. Oh, no. These beautiful ladies are here. We got Lena and Marilyn and Jody. This is Facebook Live here from the Flying Piston Breakfast. So I told you guys earlier, everybody that's important is here except you. You should have been here, but these ladies came out to support. And now, did you guys build a Strider this year? Last year you did one. That's right. I thought last year. What a great thing. And this year all the money's going to Motorcycle Missions. That's great. So how many years have you been coming to the breakfast here?
I think it's my third year.
Third?
Coming.
How about you?
Number two.
Number two. And Marilyn, what else is going on at the Buffalo Chip this week? I understand there's a couple of things going on.
Yeah, it would take the rest of this show to tell you, right? But we're kicking it off. Sunday's a really big day. This breakfast rolls into the industry party, and then AFT racing right in the amphitheater, and a bike show every day. We're competing right now with the FXR show right here. So there's a lot going on. Bike show every day.
Bike show every day here at the Buffalo Chip. And so guys, get out here. Thank you ladies for being here. It's good to see you. All right, we're still roaming. We're roaming. We're going to get over here. We're going to talk to Crystal Hess with Motorcycle Missions. Crystal, Facebook Live. We're Facebook Live, and this is Crystal Hess. I know she's tired today because I saw her out at like 6 o'clock in the morning. She still hadn't gone to bed. Nah, that's a lie. That's a lie. She was in bed. Hey, well, how does she know? See, now all of a sudden it's a scandal. Now it's a scandal. Now it's a scandal. So, Crystal, tell me a little bit about Motorcycle Missions.
Motorcycle Missions is a 501c3. We teach veterans and first responders how to build custom motorcycles. We are on our 11th bike build right now. We are going to be starting our 12th in the fall. We started in Texas, and now we're expanded to California, Arizona, Cleveland, Ohio, and we're going to be starting one in Colorado soon as well. So we've had over 200 veterans go through our program. We have over 200 on our waiting list. And basically we just get them together, we get them learning how to weld, grind, fabricate, bleed brakes, learn electrical, mount tires, do all the things involved with building motorcycles. And then they get to go to all the bike shows and show their stuff off. They get the kind of like the builder red carpet and get to appreciate being recognized for their hard work. And the sense of pride that they have when the bike is done and people appreciate what they've done on their bike. I mean, it's just that alone is very therapeutic. So,
and you guys are actually auctioning off 2 of those bikes this week in Deadwood Tuesday night, right? And where is that happening?
So that's happening at the Deadwood Mountain Grand. There are 2 Indian Chief Dark Horses, Indian Motorcycle, donated to us. So the guys built it. We did a build off actually. We did a Team Austin versus Team Dallas, and both bikes are at the Deadwood Mountain Grand right now, and we're going to be auctioning them off on Tuesday at Big Kenny's pool party.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, that's exciting. So, well, Crystal, thank you for all your hard work. Really appreciate it, and you're just awesome. You've really done such a great job of this. I'm enjoying watching it grow. So take care. All right, Jeff, let's move. Let's head out. And this gentleman here, his claim to fame is that he's Lena's dad. So, Mr. Fairless, how is it to be Lena's dad?
Well,
exactly, that's what we thought.
Exhausting.
Yeah, very exhausting, yeah.
Now, Rick Fairless from Strokers, Dallas. Rick, Flying Pistons Breakfast. This is a great experience. What's been your favorite part so far this year?
You know, it's just very cool to get this many people in the industry together, you know, to raise money for good causes and stuff. And, you know, we always look forward to coming out here during our annual trip to Sturgis, and it's always a highlight.
Well, this thing, and it just continues to grow and grow. So really, if you're in Sturgis, you come to the Buffalo Chip. You don't have to pay to get in. You just come to the Flying Piston Breakfast. It's a great fundraiser. Rick, we really appreciate your support. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Pat.
And thank you for making Lena. She's such a good girl.
That was the fun part, was the making part of it.
Oh, good to see you. All right, we're going to head over here. We're going to cruise around here. We're going to talk to Michael Lichter if I can grab him. Here we go. Michael, can I grab you for 2 seconds? We're Facebook Live-ing. This is Michael Lichter. Michael has made a living with his Kodak camera. He just takes pictures, really. That's all he does. He's a picture man. But tell us about your show here at the Chip.
Well, this year it's called What's the Skinny, and it's part of the Motorcycles Art Series. It's my 19th year putting on these shows, 11 years at the Buffalo Chip. We started at the Journey Museum in Rapid City until they built this building for me. It's 6,000 square feet. We have 38 bikes in there. It's pretty spectacular. All lit by theater lights. The artwork on the walls is spectacular. You got to see it.
That's great.
I hope you come today.
And what's it cost to get into your show?
That's the best part. It is absolutely free. So it's at the Buffalo Chip, which does cost money to get into. But this is right on the perimeter at the East Gate. And so if they go to the East Gate and say they're just going to the Lichter show, the Motorcycles is Art, the Skinny show, that gallery is free entry.
So you come to the Chip, and you can participate in a lot of stuff out here without having to buy and get in. You can come to the FXR show today. They got a bike show every day, but most importantly, you come to the East Gate, and you can see the Motorcycles Art exhibit that Michael Lichter does right here. And What's the Skinny this year? So there's a bunch of really cool bikes. So get out there and check it out. Michael, thank you for being at the Flying Pistons Breakfast. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. And you'll look good at What's the Skinny. You'll fit right in. There you go.
Thanks, Michael. All right, let's cruise a little bit more, Jeff. We're gonna come over here. I'm looking for, I know I saw. Here we got Roy Martin, excuse me, from Roy's Toys in Colorado. Roy, we're doing Facebook Live. Roy, let's talk about this Strider you and Nikki built. Tell me about it.
So went back with the Strider's called the Little Red Strider. It's got a true candy apple paint job. Got some 70s style panels on there. Justin Roberts out of Texas painted this. He's a new up and coming painter. Stay tuned because he's going to do some more stuff for us. We're very excited.
Well, man, I tell you guys always do a killer job. I know that you had a bike out at the Republic of Texas Biker Rally this year, too, that was given away to a veteran. That was exciting. So appreciate you being here at the Flying Pistons Breakfast. Because, again, all these Strider bikes are going to be auctioned off, and all the money is going to go to motorcycle missions. So, Roy, thanks for being here.
Pat, thanks, and appreciate everything you do for the motorcycle industry, man. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it, Roy. Appreciate it. All right, Jeff, we're going to sign off now until we can find some more people. But, folks, you got to come out to the Buffalo Chip. They're doing a lot of stuff this week. But next year, plan on the Flying Pistons Breakfast. It's every year, 9 o'clock, first Sunday of Sturgis out here at the Chip. So come on out. Good?
Amazing. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll work out Jeff Light, so we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. We're here all week.
That's what I told him. I go, we're here, but we can pick it up.
You're going to Cherokee, right?
Well, that's what we're negotiating. If we get her bike done, we'll